In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap sheets on your Tableau dashboard. This process is incredibly useful when you need to update your views without losing any of the underlying data and formatting you have painstakingly set up. So let's dive right in and explore how to efficiently swap sheets in just a few steps. To begin, you'll want to launch your Tableau app. Once you've got Tableau opened and ready to go, head straight to your worksheet. Before we proceed further, ensure you have all your data organized within your worksheet. This will make the swapping process seamless and ensure there's no data mishap. Next, find your way to the dashboard you wish to edit. You can do this by navigating the workspace within Tableau. Locate your dashboard among the existing ones, click on it to open, and make sure everything is loaded correctly. Having your dashboard open allows you to visualize the changes and make sure everything is in the right place before you start swapping sheets. Now what you want to do is select a sheet that you wish to replace. Think of this as the sheet that's currently visible on your dashboard but needs to be swapped with another. It's essential to identify the sheet carefully so that you don't end up altering the wrong one. Once you've identified the sheet to swap, it's time to go to the Sheets pane. This is where all the sheets related to your workbook are stored and organized. Navigating through this pane smartly can save you a lot of time. Look for the sheet you want to swap to within this pane. Remember to double check that you have the correct sheet for replacement. When you've found your target sheet, the next task is to locate the swap sheet icon. This icon is the key to making the change happen without dismantling your data structure. Clicking on the swap icon will effectively switch out your current sheet with the one you've intended to display. The swap feature is crafted to ensure that your data stays intact. It's a neat way to update your dashboards without starting from scratch. And there you have it. The sheet on your dashboard has been swapped successfully, keeping all your data and previous settings just as they should be. So that covers the entire process. You have now learned how to swap sheets on your Tableau dashboard efficiently and effectively without any loss of valuable data. This method is a real time saver and keeps your productivity high. I hope you find this guide helpful for all your future Tableau endeavors. Thank you for tuning into this video, and be sure to keep exploring more options within Tableau to master your data visualization skills.